16-12 right now. Army has opened up a 4-point lead. They also have a 2-0 lead. Once again, Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Rina Villamor. Semifinals dito po sa Shakey's B-League, and that will find the line to Mariel Patnongon. Ateneo's not got to that running attack a lot, huh?
Yeah, and actually, we kept saying it earlier. If they give it to Patnongon, chances are it's a kill, it's a point.
Well, Ferrer hits into the net. 17-13. Mary Jean Balse. Valdez, Ferrer, Hervasio, off the block. Carolino gets to it, but Reyes could not get the third ball. May effort pa talaga siya gagawin. 17-14 Army.
You know that the heart is there.
Right. Here's Patnongon now. Good things usually happen to Ateneo on her serve if she gets her serve in.
Which is most of the time.
Most of the time. More than 90% of the time. Good dig there by Kainglet. Ferrer. Valdez. Wow! Good dig there by Michelle. Here's Mayet. Kept alive, and Valdez gets it across. Reyes! And Valdez gets to it again. Ferrer. Hervasio! Si Reyes nagtatabog na. Bakit parating may hadlang bago kumakuha? This time it touches the net first. Look. And that threw Reyes' timing completely off. Ayan, may tabog ng kasama yun.
Alam mo kung may water yan, mag-judge na tayo on dives.
Parati maganda yung walang splash halos. 17-15. Bonus! Tinuloy din nila finally yung quick set. It looked like another combination play. 18-15.
But you know, this rotation with Bunag as a center spiker, actually swerte din siya because lagi maganda reception eh.
That has been the key for the Army so far. Their excellent reception. Here's Dakis. Blocked by Hervasio. Oh, and that one just went away from Alyssa Valdez. 19-15. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So 6 points away from the finals. Itong Army. Oy, nakita natin Roger Federer nung semifinals ng US Open.
I know. I felt so bad.
Federer actually was serving for the was up 2-0. Serving for the match. We'll talk about that later after this Ateneo timeout.
Kaka-establish na rin eh. Ibang pa rin lang natin. Itaas na natin yung score natin. Hindi pa tapos yan. 5 lang naman yan eh. Ha? Laban lang tayo. Mamatapos. Masyadong sub-sub. Ha? Hindi malalaki yun. Sige lang. Hindi ka lang.
Take a look at that last play once again. Everything going right now for the Philippine Army. Even Rachel Andakis gets that two-handed attack in. So I was saying, Roger Federer in the 5th set was actually serving for the match at 40-15, 5-3 against Novak Djokovic.
No comment. I'm so pissed after that game eh.
Si Djokovic nga, parang ngumingiti na siya, parang okay, kanya na nga to. Galing talaga. Eh napanalo niya yun. Tapos napanalo niya 7-5. 4 straight games for Novak Djokovic.
Well, it just goes to show if you have a lot of heart, anything can happen.
Right,
even to the best in the world.
And he is the best in the world right now.
Exactly.
Oh, wow, another point here for Mayet Carolino as Ateneos just all of a sudden ran out of energy. 22-15. Michelle Carolino with a smile on her face now. Lazaro. Ferrer. Valdez. Nice dig there by Salak. And Mayet Carolino just sent it over the zone 1 and no one was home. Timeout again for Ateneo. Army now with a big 8-point lead.
Itaas na natin yung score natin, ha? Hindi pa naman tapos yan. Dalawa lang yan, ha? Ha? Talagang namin, malakas naman pa natin na talagang nalilimutan natin.
You sort of wonder how Maynila beat Army
Yeah.
in the quarterfinals, actually. Let's take a look at this last play once again. Valdez put everything she had on that one, and Mayat said, "Ooh, nobody home."
Well, I love it when, when you look at the huddles and you see all the coaches and coaching staff also have the same shirt.
That's true.
So nice.
Serve goes long there for Michelle Carolino. So a 7-point lead here for the Philippine Army. 2 points away from the finals. Eliza Valdez. Here's Salak now going to Mayet. Mayet pushes it across. Lazaro. Ferrer. Quick set. Hervasio. Dug up there by Salak. Here's Dakis. Lazaro. Ferrer. Kainglet. Still kept alive there by Ateneo. Hervasio.
Finally gets it across.
So 23-17. Anim ang kalabangan dito ng Philippine Army. Back-to-back points now for Ateneo. Trying to stay alive to force it to a fourth set. Valdez.
Good serve.
Back set now for Mayet Carolino. Great block there by Kainglet. 3 straight points now for Ateneo.
Well, Ateneo's not going down without a fight.
One big fight.
One big fight.
Yan. Valdez continues to serve well. Michelle, Salak, Bunag, Lazaro. Kept alive! Lazaro cannot get it done.
Good
So
effort,
match
though.
point. Yeah, match point here for the Philippine Army. 6 match points. There's si Ratay seeing her first action. And she will come in to serve for Mayat Carolino. So here's Iratay. Can she put it away on her serve? Coming cold off the bench.
And I think she's going to set.
That could be the case here. They get a good reception here. Iratay does set. But she was not in the right position as Kainglet puts it away.
Oh, wala pang warm-up si Iratay.
Oo. Makita mo talaga, Salak, nag-default talaga sa kanya. Kunin mo. Second ball. Hervasio the good serve. Iratay. Dakis. Long. 24-20. Ateneo down by 4. And Corporal Rico de Guzman says, what the heck is going on? Timeout.
Let's go. Isang puntos lang. Importante yan. Ha? Apat tayo naman natin. Huwag niyo pabayaan. Huwag niyo napatigil. Isang sila. Isang sila na maganda. Ha?
Talya po mga kaibigan, 24-20. 4 set points para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So if Army can get this last point, they will be moving on to the finals where they will be meeting San Sebastian, which defeated Navy in straight sets in their Game 2 semifinal match. Here's Iratay. Dakis blocked there by Ho. Valdez. Ferrer across for Kainglet. And Kainglet will get the point off the check ball.
This is not yet over.
Oh, yeah, not yet over. Now triple match point. Natutuwa siya Djokovic versus Federer. Federer in the 5th set was serving for the match and lost it. Salak. Wow! By Hervasio.
That was
Lazaro.
a quick set.
Right. Iratay now going to Dakis on the open. Hervasio still there. Valdez across now. Kainglet. And Kainglet finds the line. 24-22. Double set point na lamang to. And enough of the experiment. There's Iratay. Mayat Carolino comes back in. Salak will do the setting once again.
If you see Tina Salak, you know how tall she is, and you wonder, how did Milka get through Tina Salak?
I'll tell you, the arm speed of Phil Kainglet is just phenomenal. Hervasio once again. Reyes, this is a good reception. Bunag, block. Balse. And here's Ferrer. Kainglet. Oh, hits the antenna, and that is it. What a way to go out. Ateneo had strung together 7 straight points actually. But it's not to be for the Lady Eagles. The finals will feature the Philippine Army going up against San Sebastian. And that will begin this Sunday right here at the arena. And our shaky shake and play right here. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. And that's exactly what Joan Bunag did as the Philippine Army moves on to the finals. And Rina Villamor with a special interview with our coach and our Shakey's player of the game.
That's right. We have here the Philippine Army coach, Rico de Guzman. First of all, congratulations, coach. Now, ano po yung mga magiging adjustments or preparation natin pagdating sa finals?
Malaki yung preparation namin dito sa finals kasi yung San Sebastian kasi may import sila, kumbaga, kung tatawagin natin. So yung import nila hindi, kumbaga, yung mga nilalaro niya is super dami ng pinapalo niya, di ba? So ang kailangan namin, may stop namin siya, yung dalawang import nila, malaki yung chance namin na may stop yon, malaki chance namin mag-champion.
Alright, thank you so much, coach, and congratulations again. Good luck into the finals. Now we move on to our Shakey's best player na walang iba kundi si Tina Sala. Congratulations, Tina. Ano ba yung mga maipapromise mo, yung pwede mong maipakita na pagbabago personally from you coming into the finals?
Meron kaming kasing game plan ni coach. So, abangan lang nila sa finals kasi baka mabisto. So, abangan na lang nila yun. Malaki yung changes na ginawa namin. Ginagawa na namin din yun sa training. So, i-apply na lang namin sa finals.
So, kaya ba ito ng 2 games out of 3?
Hopefully, sana. Para maging masaya naman lahat yung buong Philippine Army tsaka yung buong AFP.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo at dahil ikaw ang ating best player, hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative to hand you your best prize. May mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito?
Yes, maraming salamat po kay General Gaversa, kay General Ortiz, kay General Palmea, kay Colonel De Rosario, kay Colonel Cabading and family, kay Colonel Bayani, kay Colonel Loyaw, kay Colonel Madrigal and family. Thank you po. Kay Colonel Ambal, kay Father Tansip, kay Attorney Paredes, kay Mr. and Mrs. Sammy Narcisse, kay Coach Heidi and kay Coach Gina, kay Tin Chua, happy birthday po kay Ice, sa teammate namin, happy birthday po kay Tita Linda, kay Mai of Froilan Trading, thank you po sa suporta nyo. Binabati ko rin po yung family ko dito sa Bacoor, sa Digman, sa Kaingen, sa US. Hi kay Jayden, kay Edric. Happy birthday, Nika. Kay Pauline. Thank you pala sa Ateneo team. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Tina. And good luck to both teams in the finals. That's it for my end. I'll turn you back to Noel and Noreen.
So it will be the Philippine Army taking on San Sebastian in the finals, and that'll do it for us for the semi-final round as it ends here in the Shakey's B-League Season 8 second conference. On behalf of our interviewer, Rina Villamor, and my partner, Noreen Go, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.
Healing that quick hit.
One more time!
Connecting on the second